AWS IAM is like the bouncer of your cloud party, letting the right people in and keeping the wrong ones out. It helps manage who has access to your AWS resources and what they can do. In short, IAM is your cloud security guard, making sure everything stays safe and sound. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Think of IAM users like individual keys to your kingdom. You don't hand out the master key root access to everyone. Instead, each user gets a specific key with the right permissions to do their job. This way, security stays tight and you know exactly who's doing what. Imagine handing out your house keys to strangers versus giving them guest passes with time restrictions. IAM users act as guest passes, while root access is like an open invitation, dangerous if misused. Always limit root user access for safety. It's easy to reach the IAM console. Just log in, search for IAM, and click your way in. It's your control panel for managing user security. Think of it as the dashboard where you fine-tune permissions like a pro. Creating an IAM user is like setting up a new employee's workstation. You decide what they can access and ensure they have the right tools. Just don't forget to assign permissions, or they'll be stuck staring at a blank screen. Permissions control what users can do. Give too many, and it's like handing over your car keys to a toddler. Follow the least privilege rule, grouping users wisely, and reviewing permissions regularly for a well-oiled security system. It's like choosing between a steering wheel and autopilot. Console access lets users interact manually, while programmatic access automates processes via APIs. Pick the right one based on your need. Access keys are like passwords for automation. Treat them like gold. Store them securely, and rotate them often to keep your AWS environment safe from unauthorized access. Policies are rulebooks for users. Set clear guidelines so they can only access what they need. The policy simulator lets you preview permissions before making changes, preventing unnecessary headaches. IAM security isn't just about locking things down, it's about smart management. Strong passwords. Yes, but let's be honest, nobody should use password 123. Least privilege access keeps things tight. No more accidental admin disasters. Auditing policies helps catch issues before they turn into headaches. And logging, well, let's make sure security events don't go unnoticed like a ninja in the night. Flask and IAM, like peanut butter and jelly. First, setting up AWS credentials ensures access is secure. IAM roles keep permissions tidy, because we don't want Bob from accounting accidentally accessing production servers. AWS Cognito simplifies authentication, making login seamless. And restricting user access. Well, nobody likes surprise guest appearances in restricted areas. Bodo 3 is the bridge between Flask and AWS. Installing it is step 1. Like giving your app an AWS passport. Secure connections ensure no unauthorized access. Using environment variables keeps credentials safe, so no accidental hard-coding disasters. And optimizing API calls, because no one likes waiting around for responses like a slow internet connection. Testing IAM user access is a must, because assumptions can lead to disaster. AWS CLI helps verify access, while the IAM policy simulator is perfect for testing permissions before deployment. Unit testing ensures authentication behaves as expected. And monitoring failed access attempts. Let's just say it's the security equivalent of checking who's sneaking cookies from the jar. Troubleshooting IAM issues. The detective work begins. Checking permissions and policies is like reviewing security blueprints. Verifying credentials keeps things smooth. No more wrong password dramas. Debugging authentication errors prevents login nightmares. And monitoring AWS limits ensures we don't hit roadblocks mid-operation. IAM monitoring is like having security cameras for your AWS environment. CloudTrail tracks user activity, AWS Config analyzes changes, and alerts help detect suspicious behavior before it escalates. Generating reports makes audits easier, because nobody likes last-minute compliance panic. To wrap it up, security isn't a one-time thing, it's an ongoing journey. Best practices should be applied consistently. Automation helps reduce manual errors. Staying updated with AWS security ensures we're ahead of the game. And fostering a security-first mindset keeps teams proactive. So let's make security a habit, not an afterthought. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.